Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Rooh Afza milkshake. Here's what we need to make the Rooh Afza milk. Rooh Afza can be found at any Indian store and club soda is available in any grocery store. Let's get started. Add milk to the jar. Add sugar and ice. 4 tablespoons of Rooh Afza. And blend it together. Add some Rooh Afza to glass. Now add the milk. Next, add the club soda. There you have the delicious Rooh Afza milkshake. I hope you try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my video. I'll see you next time.